Ladies and gentlemen, here I come to you with my TalkFree AI review. Hi guys, here I come to you again with my again TalkFree AI review, right? I am right inside of the members area, guys. I'll give you a walk through this product in a sec. I'll show you and tell you what you can expect out of it. Okay, so let's dig in. Here is the sales page. Go check it out by clicking the link in the description box below my review. So for yourselves, you can check it out. And this is the newest launch by this vendor called whose name is Jorge Villa. Okay. Now, Jorge, I happen to know quite well. Okay, I did review quite a few products by Jorge in the past. I did like most of them. Okay, so let's check out his score. I remember he launched this product which sold really well some time ago. Which one was it? This one, yes. AI Unlimited. It really sold well in like 3,000 plus sales. So that was really good. The previous one didn't do very well. But anything to do with AI, I don't know, maybe because it's a hypey topic, or maybe because he's kind of like he's good at it. That's why it sells for him. But it might be like some truth to it, that because the fact that AI is just a trendy hot topic these days, and it is what it is. Okay, guys. But anyhow, now I've got some bonuses for my buyers as well. Okay. 3 cool training courses by Marquez. I mean, these training courses are super good. People love them, so I keep sort of like sharing them with you guys, okay, because it's just quality. I know I benefited from them big time, and then I felt like, let me get the reseller rights. Now, when it comes to Mark has support, he can be like missing in action every now and again, to be brutally honest, okay? No, but here's the thing, the training courses are amazing, okay? So take the knowledge from these training courses. They're like over the shoulder, thorough, all good, okay, and just apply it. And then as for the support, as I said, he does go like missing in action every now and again, but then he comes back usually with another, good product. So that's the way of that's the kind of vendor Mark is, but he's a good one, I believe. Why he's not always reachable, you tell me, okay? But what I can say, his training courses are really good, okay? I'm just being like brutally honest and transparent here. So, yeah, okay, so I've got the full funnel here for upsells. We'll go through them in a sec. Now let me just, before we check out the members area, what does he say, Jorge, here? Stop paying through the nose for AI generated text, create unlimited. I mean, when he says unlimited, there are some limits to it. I'll explain what that means. I mean, there are limits if you want to go over, okay? Over the limit of giving, of wanting, because this is like a ChatGPT replacement, sort of, okay? This product here. But it's also like an information tool, because what he has done here, Jorge, sorry, I know I'm getting a little bit mixed up and just trying to talk about various this and that at the same time. But my point is that this product here is a collection of various AI generating, AI text generating tools, okay? And most of them are free, okay? Some of them, there's limited here option. You can get up to 11, access to 11 AI generating tools, plus the software, which will allow you to create AI generated content even without having access to internet, which is quite nice. Okay, so some of them, I mean, you will have quite a few options, okay, and some of them will be limited. Okay, what he means by that, he will actually cover on the sales page here. So yeah, he says like create unlimited AI text 300% for free. And also, yeah, back to my previous point, not more than, you won't be able to use more than, I believe 500 prompts a day. You know, so you won't be able to give more than 500 commands a day to those tools. So I mean, that's why I was like, is it limited or unlimited? So it's kind of like he calls it unlimited, but hey, 500 commands to give to, say, AI generating tools is a lot, okay? And I don't believe, you know, you would be able to exceed that limit a day. Even I know I wouldn't, but then again, I don't know what you would be using, you know, these tools for and how much content you need to create daily. So hey ho, who am I to judge anyone here? Judge or like, you know, say, you know, make any kind of claims here. So anyhow, back to the topic. So he also says beat all ChatGPT users that are using time after time the same overused text generator. Well, I guess he's got a point here because everybody's, you know, after ChatGPT, and obviously we know ChatGPT 3.5 is free, but that if you want 4.0, right, then you would be paying around $20 for it. So yeah, anyhow, please, you know, watch this short demo here. Okay, Jorge will give you a sneak peek into the members area, which is pretty cool and transparent. Okay, so watch that short demo. It's just 1 minute and 20 seconds. And read through the sales page. It's not lengthy. He just gives, you know, sort of like a useful bit of information. He listed his bonuses here. Pretty valuable bonuses, access to some of his previous products. Some of them would be even upsells. So cool. Okay, guys, let's dig in and let me show you around the members area. So in this welcome module, if you may, okay, you will have, okay, so first, thanks for the purchase, and obviously then choosing the best option. So he says you have quite a few options here, okay? He says he will keep, because what he has done, it's not like his platforms, okay? It's like a collection of various AI generating platforms, okay? And he put them all together here in his product, okay? He connected all of those platforms so you can access them from this members area, which is quite a convenient way of accessing them, I guess, okay? Yeah, and then you also will get access to the software, which again allows you to, you know, create AI generated text, even though you're offline, okay? You don't have access to internet, which may be useful every now and again, okay? I guess so, right? And it is not always that we have fast internet or access to internet. Now, bear in mind that, you know, in order to use this product, you really need to have like, okay, your laptop, your PC needs to be at least, I believe he did mention that on the sales page, at least 12 gigabytes, I believe. There is this information. So, okay, so, and you need quite good processing power as well. There was this information somewhere on the sales page, I believe, okay? So he will be updating, you know, he says, I'll keep everything updated because new generative models are coming every single month, so things will change over time, okay? So he will be adding new platforms to this members area. Okay, and there is a bit more info on like, is it free? So he says like, what was it? Yeah, most of the stuff will be free here. Some of them will be limited, or in this here option 6 to 11, there will be some limits as to how much content you can create. Okay, he will give you access here. I mean, he will invite you to use various platforms that you can start for free with. Okay. Right, okay, so this is the welcome module, and now you'll have a few options. Now, some of them did not work for me. I did ask, I mean, this option 1, I was trying to create a text like, write me a short, let's see if it works now, okay, because this this option wasn't working for me previously. I did ask Jorge. He says it does happen every now and again, and then you just have to like sort of update this, refresh the members area, okay, and then it should be back to normal. But it's not his, it's not his platforms. It's like various independent platforms, as you can see this one, H2, was it O GPT, okay? It's a collection of various platforms. I hope you understand what I mean, okay? I'm sure you do. Okay. Write me a short email to promote AI image generating tool, for example. Let's see if it's gonna work this time, because previously it was giving me, you see, this is like, please choose a base model with, so I don't know what that means, okay? I don't really, like, seriously, I don't know. So this one wasn't working for me. Now let's take this text and let's go to option number 2. And let's try here the same command. And there you go. This one works. I'm not too sure why, because Jorge does say that some of those platforms may temporarily not work, then after refreshing they will work fine. What I would say, he's the expert, he's the daddy here, he's the creator of this product. So go hit him up on support here and ask him about this option 1, if it plays up for you as well as, as I did show you was playing up for me, okay? So, but this one, the option number 2, works just fine. And as you can see, you've got quite a few options here up there. And then you see it has created various emails, and all of them, they're all different. Okay. And then let's go to option number 3 and place in the same text. Here you'll have to log in. Okay. Let's go to option number 4 and give the same command. Let's see what it's gonna say, and there you go, it's creating me this email. And as I was playing up with this, trying out the software, previously I gave it a different command. I think it was, what was it? I believe I asked it to write me like an aggressive email. And it just, it wrote back to me, I cannot fulfill your request because I said, write me a short aggressive email to promote a newly launched AI image generating software. And it says, I cannot fulfill your request. Writing an aggressive email promoting a product goes against my programming rules to provide helpful and respectful. Nevertheless, it did give me, what I wanted, but it wasn't put in an aggressive. So what I meant by aggressive, like, pushy, right? Pushy way. But yeah, fair enough. Very, very tactful of this tool, right? Right. And then you will have option number 5 as well. Option number 5 is actually the software, which you will, you can install a local version depending on the features on your computer, and it will, if you can run it locally because you have not enough RAM. So again, you will need to have at least 12 gigabytes. Okay. You can still use other options. So for this software to work, that you use whenever you're offline, okay, whenever you don't have access to internet, you would need to have, strong, sort of like, good laptop. At least, yeah, the RAM would need to be at least 12 gigabytes. If I am not mistaken, okay? And I don't believe I am. So here are the steps on how to install it and all of that. And then those additional options, you will have option number 6, 7. I'll blur them, guys, because, obviously it gives you access here to a lot of like free AI tools that, I can't reveal because it's just part of the training. But you have additional platforms to generate AI written text, okay? And then you will have upsells, this prompt master, make money online, buyer traffic, so some upsells on traffic, AI group, one-on-one, that's like sort of like one-on-one call with Jorge, and some bonuses here. There you go, all those bonuses which are listed on the sales page. As I said, his previous products, and some of them are even upsells, okay? And here's the funnel, guys. So the front end is $11 for now. The price will be going up with every single sale. So with this one, you can create unlimited. I'm saying like this because it's really limited to maximum. So the maximum you can number of prompts, okay, commands you can give to these softwares a day will be 500 from what I have gathered, okay. So no paid software, no credits, no subscription, and no experience required. I mean, it's very easy to use those tools. OTO number 1 for $29, multiple methods on how to make money with AI generated text, okay. OTO number 2 will be a subscription, so $12.99 trial for the first month, then $14.99, completely done for you, daily buyer traffic. Where this traffic comes from, I don't know. So you will have to contact Jorge for more details. So because I don't have more information on these upsells, guys. Now OTO number 3 is a trial for $1 and then $14.99 a month. Private mastermind group focus on the latest AI technology. So if you want to keep yourself up to date to do with AI, then you may want to join the group. OTO number 4 is this 297 is a 1-to-1 3 hours meeting with Jorge. So he's gonna give you 3 hours of his time. You can ask him whatever questions you want, whatever. Yes, like stay focused on the topic. Right, okay, I believe that's all. I did cover what I was planning to talk about. Okay, so here's my bonuses. So guys, again, straightforward product. I mean, you will have plenty of options to create AI written content. It does the job. I have tried a few, most of them options, except for the first one, which was playing up for me, and I don't know why that is, to be honest, okay? Because of this platform, not working properly, or maybe there's something in the settings that needs to be changed, Jorge will be able to, help you out here. Right, okay guys, that's it. If that's for you, you may pick it up via the link below my review. Alright, love you and leave you, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.